He don't ready, mama, he don't ready, we got it, don't bust it, don't happen again. This Samuel Ekpa Guguru will be the Biafra spokesman, the president and the founder of Autopilot. In don't talk say, in less than 55 days, sorry, he say in less than 95 days from now, say Biafra go come. Say the Biafra of celebration go be 2023. And a lot of thousands of people that they believe this comedian. True, Biafra go come, but not be in less than 100 days or in less than 95 days as he claimed. So right now, I know say so many people not go happy. Say I no support wetin talk because me, wetin me no like na being deceived. This man just dey for Finland. Every day they run mouth like squirrel, like parrot, and they deceive a lot of people. Is that not a comedian? I see Samuel Ekpa as the most unserious person I've ever seen in my life. He's an unserious person. Every day you run to social media, you'll be empty vessel. Yes, empty vessel make the loudest noise. If truly you have something to offer, you will talk less. You will not be talking much every day. Because there is no difference between you versus any other comedian you can see how they're in the street. But however the case may be, this is my own opinion, and you when they watch me so, you are also free to drop your own opinion. Do you believe Samuel Guguru Ekpa saying less than 95 days from now, say Biafra will emerge and the Biafra celebration will kick off? Do you believe him? Yes or no? This is not a matter of whether you are Igbo, you are Hausa, you are Yoruba, you are Biafra, you are not a Biafra, you are Edo. Everybody free to drop their opinion. Please comment respectfully. No insult anybody for the comment section. But don't forget, Samuel Ekpa is a comedian of our time. Hey God, he don't boast. Samuel Guguru Ekpa, stop to deceive people. The Biafra self-acclaimed spokesman, stop to deceive people. The social media Photoshop autopilot pilot wey no get plane, stop to deceive people. Before you do mouth like cover bottle, stop to deceive people. Because you know say Nigerian people, they very easy to deceive. You start to deceive them up and down. You dey say in less than 100 days from now, Biafra will come. If Biafra fit come today, me I go happy. But the truth of the matter be say, in less than 100 days from now, Biafra no go fit come in less than 100 days from now. Biafra go come, but nobody know when it go come. And something where we say must come to pass. So why are you in a hurry deceiving people? If you say me they check and me they balance or Guguru Ekpa, you there among the people, we deceive leader Nnamdi Kanu, His Excellency. You there among people we say deceive him because when Anonymous release secret, say this is how they plan to get Nnamdi Kanu, either by crook or by hook. Now you come out for social media, they say make anybody not listening to Anonymous, say it's trying to create fear. I can still remember when I make a video to counter it, so many of your gullible followers then begin, they attack me here and there. But after you don't come out to counter default dispute and detonize the information that was released by Anonymous, it was not even up to 3 months. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was raptured in Kenya and it was smuggled into Nigeria. Then from there, your wings now grow and you now started forming Mazi Nnamdi Kanu spokesman, Biafra spokesman, this one, that one. Because you have always wanted a space like this. Now, everybody's iron monkey. Me, I don't even trust you. Because you keep on fighting people, fighting Geoffrey, barrister, this one, that one. Must you fight your fellow brother and sister before people go know, say you they fight for freedom? It's a question. Make una answer me.